Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. Today we're diving into a project that's been gaining a lot of hype and a lot of controversy in the crypto world. It's called blockdag.network. You might have seen it trending online or in YouTube ads, but is it a legit opportunity or just another crypto rug pull waiting to happen? Let's break it down. So, according to the official blockdag website, they claim to be a revolutionary blockchain project using DAG technology to improve scalability and transaction speeds. That sounds exciting. Blockdag, the consensus model, is actually a real and valid protocol used by projects like Caspa. But here's where it gets interesting. The site currently has a huge announcement. Exchanges launch in 10 or 9 days from now. This kind of countdown is classic in crypto pre-sales. It builds hype and FOMO, especially among newer investors. But there's no solid exchange name listed, no confirmed listing proof, and no actual roadmap transparency. That should already raise some red flags. Looking at Trustpilot, BlockDAG has a 2.8 star ratings based on 233 reviews. 42% are 5-star, mostly vague comments like great project or excited to see where it goes. But 48% are 1-star, and these reviews are way more detailed and concerning. One user says, total scam. My account disappeared. I can't access my wallet anymore. Another writes, they broke every promise, just marketing hard to grab more money. Classic slow rug pull. Some of the more suspiciously written 5-star reviews are about unrelated legal recovery services like Justix Legal or Verdict Vista, which sounds like a separate scam network trying to farm desperate users. On Reddit, the crypto crowd seems pretty skeptical too. One user said they almost downloaded the app until their phone warned them of malware. Red flag. Another important comment, BlockTag, the consensus protocol is legit. BlockTag, the blockchain, is a scam. What does this mean? Basically, BlockTag as a technology is real. It's an alternative to traditional blockchain. But this specific BlockTag project appears to be using the name to confuse people and ride on the legitimacy of another proven tech like Caspa. Also, that comment, if you have to ask, is Reddit code for if you're already unsure whether it's a scam, it probably is. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on public research and online reviews. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is just based on my opinion on what's publicly available. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto project. So, is BlockDAG legit? Based on the unverifiable exchange launch, disappearing wallets, fake legal recovery reviews, and confusion around the brand name, I'm leaning hard toward calling this one a high-risk project at best and a scam at worst. There's nothing wrong with taking risks in crypto, but not blind ones. If a project can't even be transparent about where it's listing or who's running it, protect your money and stay away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.